Hi friends, thank you so much for checking in. From my last video, I received a request on how to do my eyeliner, and on that day I only had about 20 minutes. You guys saw I had 20 minutes to get ready, and I find that a red lip and a really sharp eyeliner really gives you that fast, pulled together classic look. And today I've kind of replicated that look except for the eyeliner, which I'm going to show you guys right now. I've pulled you guys in so you can see more, but starting off with the liquid eyeliner, and I find liquids to be the most easiest because I don't need to faff around with another like gel brush if I were to use a gel liner. So just using my liquid eyeliner, I'm first going to do along the lash line. And I like to stop around the middle, so that's the furthest I'll go. Because I find if I went all the way in, it'll close up the eyes. And of course you need to look down to get the maximum lid space. That's along the lash line done, and right now we're going on to the wing. What I do with the liquid eyeliner is I point it this way, so I'm essentially using the structure of the tip to outline where I want the outermost line to go. And I normally rest my hand on my face, usually on my lips, but today I can't do that because I have my lipstick on already. Let's see how I go. So just using that tip and drawing out where I want to go, the furthest point, and also aligning the tip to give you the desired angle. And because the tip is straight, you'll be able to basically get that furthest point and drag in to get that straight line. And then you guys can see along the edge there, my point is actually not that sharp, it's a little bit blunt. I just want to turn my felt tip liner to get the most flattest point and get that sharp tip. And that's how I do my eyeliner. You guys can see today's eyeliner is not as dramatic, but it's still quite extended. And because I have hooded eyelids, when I open my eyes it's not that dramatic. And I'm going to do the same with the other eye. So first draw along the lash line. When the lash line is done, I like to keep my eyes open for a tad bit just to let the eyeliner dry. Only because I have hooded eyelids. If I open it too fast, it sometimes creases to my upper lid space. And then using the angle of the tip to draw the furthest point. And kind of using this like a stamp and dragging it in. This one is a tad bit different to this one. This one's a bit more rounder, so I'm going to round this one out. What I mean by rounder is the line along the outer edge is more, there's more volume, there's more body. point where I stop, because if I keep tweaking it, I'll end up in the state where the eyeliner is just so humongous and there's no going back. So even though they're not exactly the same, I'm comfortable with the outcome and I'm really happy with how it looks. So this is how I do my eyeliner. I find this to be the simplest way, because essentially I'm using the shape of the liquid liner to define how my eyeliner is going to go. I see a lot of people using like freehand. I admire those people. You guys seriously have talent. I can't do that. I need to use the liquid tip to just define the angle. And also what I find really helpful is I use my lower lash line as a guidance. So imagine your lower lash line and it's a continuous up from the lower lash line. So using that angle and the tip of the liquid eyeliner, I basically just use that and draw my way down and then fill in the gap in between. And that's how I do my eyeliner. You guys can use the same method with other eyelining products as well, for example pencil or gel. And I find this method to be the easiest and also mistake-proof way of doing your cat line, because essentially you're using the tip of your liquid eyeliner or any eyelining tool that you're using to determine the angle of the cat line, which I believe is the hardest part of the cat eye. With the festive season creeping upon us, I find this look to be so appropriate because first of all, it's just beautiful and classical, and also it's really simple to achieve. So if you guys want a tutorial, comment down below, but I find that I've already shown you guys pretty much a big chunk of how to do this look already. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please comment them down below, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe down below as well. And until next time, bye. I just need to burp. Sorry.